Cymone.
What's good?
Hi, Finster.
Hey, Kin Killers, come on in. What is up, Kin Killers? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. As y'all can see from the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all my furnished townhome tour. I showed y'all my empty townhome tour, so make sure y'all go check that out if you haven't seen it yet, so y'all can see the transformation. So yeah, we about to just get right into it. Come on, Fendi, bring your butt in this house. When you first come in, this right here is the little key thing where you can put your keys on it. I got a umbrella that I ain't ever used, y'all, because it don't ever rain in LA. Well, it hasn't lately, but yeah, I ain't never used it. We got Fendi's leash when I take him out, and then I just got these little plants right here that I got from Target, and the little key thing is from Wayfair. And then over here, I just hung this little thing up. I just had it. It just says, make memories, love others, forgive quickly, laugh a lot, speak truth, say I'm sorry, count your blessings, and be grateful. And that's on what, Corey?
Mary had a little light.
All right.
All right.
Oh yeah, y'all, this is the garage right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, nothing major. All right, Fendi, we gotta show Kin Killers around. So, once you come up the steps, right here, we have this little table console thing, you know, just adds a little bit of storage space. Sorry if y'all can hear the fire detector, it just came on. But yeah, I just got a candle plant up here. Found this little Wi-Fi thing at Walmart. I ain't put my Wi-Fi password on there yet, but I don't know, I thought that was really cute. Some little vases, and then this is just some storage space. So then we have a nice mirror. I be taking my little selfies for Instagram right here, whatever, so yeah. Then if you come to this side, let me close this door because that detector is annoying. We have Fendi's dog food right here. You thirsty? Yeah, yo, you real thirsty. Dog treats, and then I just have these two little pictures. They're a little crooked. I don't know why they don't want to stay, but y'all get the point. So we got little feathers, you know, good luck. Feathers is good luck if you didn't know, y'all. Then if you come this way, we have another plant. I love plants, I love the greenery. I feel like it just adds, I don't know, it just makes me happy having like green stuff in my house. So more mirrors. Mirrors make your place look bigger if you didn't know. We have the bathroom. So when you come in the bathroom, y'all, this bathroom is a little small, but this is the guest bathroom. And I went and had this mirror installed. This wasn't here when I moved in, so I'm gonna turn it on for y'all. Little press to start, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the little mirror. The lighting is, I got lipstick on my tooth. This is, you know, take you some nice selfies. I'm a little short, but you get the idea. But yeah, this is the bathroom. We got a nice little llama right here, y'all. I don't know, I thought the llama was cute. I found it at Target. And it just be staring at you while you pee, I guess. And then I found these little towels on Wayfair. We have the nice K decal, you know what I'm saying? On this side we have some more K detailing, nice towels for my guests when they come over. I ain't never got no guests, but y'all get the point. So that's the bathroom. So then if you come this way, right next to the bathroom. Oh shoot. All right, you guys, so this next room is my office space. You know, when I need to do some work or something, this is where I would come into. So this is my desktop. We got the printer. You know, whenever I need to do some work, just come in and do what I gotta do. And then so I wanted to make this room like a relaxing room slash office space. So, you know, we have a nice little kumbaya chair whenever you just want to relax and be peaceful. Nice little hookah. If you want some hookah, this is the room. We can have a therapy session in here. You got your hookah, your chair. The nice little waterfall right here, y'all. Found this on Amazon. And it just sets the whole vibe. So, and then this is just storage space, tape, and just random stuff. So yeah, then we got some more decorations right here. This is a lamp. Found this from Wayfair. And then we just have more over here. Most of the stuff is from Target too, from like the little $3 section, the little plants. Yeah, Target. And then in here is just cleaning stuff and my vacuum. So yeah, oh yeah, and then, oh, this is Fendi's bed. I bought it for the living room, but the colors didn't match, so I thought that it looked better in here. Come on, Fendi. Go, jump. See how bougie he is, y'all?
Oh.
Okay. Sit.
Oh,
Shake.
good boy.
Good boy. I'm surprised, y'all. Usually he be trying to act too human. Oh, almost forgot. Then this was just an old picture that I had from my old place, so I just put it right here, and then I added these little jar decorations to the side, you know, and it just sets the whole mood. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all this. All right, you guys, so then I forgot to show y'all this. We have the Cymone 1,000,000 subscriber gold play button. And then on top of that, if you a real OG, my first YouTube name was Fabulous in Making. We have the 100,000 subscriber one, so, you know, pat myself on the back. Thank you, Kinkillas, for all your support. All right, you guys, so this next area is the kitchen. Food in here, you know, not major. Got a couple of Lunchables. I love my Lunchables. I'm a big kid. Got some fruit, pineapples, grapes, favorite fruit. You know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Throwback to my birthday, the M&Ms. And then freezer, just more stuff in there. And then we had the stove, the sink. You know, nothing major, little Keurig. We need some coffee in the morning, nice little flower, add the vibes, and then yeah, that's the kitchen area. So if you come this way, so I got these bar stools from Wayfair, and I just think they're really, really cute. So cute bar stools for guests. And then, all right, y'all, so right next to the bar stools, I have a bar cart. And on the bar cart, we have a nice little cooler, little coasters, little mixer. And then underneath is where I have some different options. Here, I'll turn it. Oops. So we have some wine glasses. We just have some different types of wine, some champagne. Then we just have, you know, the favorites, some Don Julio. 1942, we got some Patron, Crown Apple, then we just have the cups, some little shot glasses. And you know, when guests come over, they can just come right here and get what they want. So yeah, this is the little bar area. If you come this way, we have the living room or the living space, you know. It's very comfortable. Me and Fendi, we just be chilling, watching TV. We be watching a little fire. I'm just playing, y'all. We don't do it. I just put that on for the video. I thought it looked cool. So yeah, this is the living room. We have this little tray and the coffee table. I just got some plants, some flowers, a little candle. Yeah, that's that. And then we have this little TV console right here.
It actually has LED lights on it too.
Oh yeah, it does.
She be forgetting about that. I had to remind her.
Right, I be forgetting to turn them on. Did they come on?
Oh, yeah,
there we go. So you know, at nighttime or at night, it'll add a nice little vibe. But yeah.
What the?
Hell, what's that? Somebody parked right there. Anyways, candle, these little trinkets. Wayfair, other little trinkets, Wayfair, our little pampas, Wayfair. We got some sage right here for any of you weird ass people out there. You want to come in here?
On some weird shit.
On some weird stuff. I might have to sage you real quick. And then if you come right here, we have a nice mirror. Take you some cute pictures, you know, cute selfies. Yeah, this is the living room. Alrighty, so can you not get on the couch like that? You have to have manners during the video. They're gonna think I'm a bad mom. So right here we have,
He just does it anyway.
we have 2 more pictures from Target. You know, really cute. I honestly feel like I could have made this. I really could have made this on my own. But they cute or whatever, you know. Nice little wax scent thing. All right, and we're just gonna head to the 3rd floor, guys. I know you like that ass. All right, so we're gonna save my bedroom for last because I feel like it's the best part. So we're gonna go to the beauty room. Before you go in there, I have my little portrait. If you will remember, I made a video making this with one of my friends. I haven't hung it up yet, but it'll still look cute right there, I guess. So if you come into this room, this is where I do my makeup. This is where I get dressed. I do my hair in here. I take showers in here, everything. So I got all my shoes over here, purses over here, and then over here I just keep all of my clothes, my possible outfits that I might wear. I keep them over here, so then whenever I'm going out, I can just come over here, pick out my outfit, and go. And then those are just the shoes that I might wear. And then after that, I'll come over here, and I'll sit down, and I'll do my makeup. You know, and check myself out real quick. Over here, I have sunglasses, you know, just different options. Then I have some of my makeup over here. Y'all already know, I've shown y'all this already before, but look at all my lips, lip glosses and lipsticks. So yeah, that's all of the makeup. And then this is just the bathroom. Like I said, this is like the get dressed room, so I don't really have it decorated too much. So I just have all my everyday shower stuff right here, hair stuff. And then yeah, this is just where I take my showers. So this is this room. You know, give you a little 360 one more again. Yes, sir. Oh, and I keep my jewelry right here too, whenever, you know, sometimes. So we're gonna head to my favorite part of the place, y'all. This is my bedroom. Corey just seen it for the first time yesterday, and I think she really liked it. So.
Yeah.
When you first come in, we have the nice fur rug. If you an OG, you remember this portrait. I had it at my old place. Welcome to my bedroom. As you guys can see, we got the nice King Killer decal. Got that from, I don't know, I'll leave a link for y'all, but I got that customly made. I waited for like 2 months for it, so I'm happy that it finally got here. My bed, got my bed from Wayfair. Pillows, Wayfair. Lamp, Wayfair. Nightstand, Wayfair. Everything Wayfair. These little plants though, I got those from Amazon. The rugs are from Amazon. And yes, we have this nice little tray with the little fake candles. Watch this. Boom.
Yeah.
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 You thought it was a real candle, but it's not. So, oh yeah, so if you come over here we have this another little table console thing. I didn't really know what to put on it, so kind of just added some random stuff. This nice little tray, I just put some of my like favorite perfumes on it. Nice flower, little Chanel box, nice little scent. This owl look a little scary. I don't know what's going on with it, but don't it look scary?
Maybe when you staring at it at night and you like,
I be thinking like something.
Yeah.
I'd be like, what if it's a camera in here or something? I don't know. And then over here, y'all, I got all of Fendi's toys, or I try to keep them in here, but he just takes them out anyway. In his little bed. And yeah, so this is my room. Oh, I forgot about this part. So this little area right here. This is my dresser. Got a little tissue thing with no tissue in it. Just cute for decorations. These are actually lights, but I haven't put light bulbs in them yet, but they still look cute and sparkly. Got those from Amazon. Nice little candles, Amazon as well. Then we just have the TV. Alright you guys, so that basically completes the entire townhome tour. So make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what other videos y'all want to see. I'm gonna have videos coming soon showing y'all the real transformation of everything because I recorded myself putting everything together. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, King Killers. Mwah.